Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best leather conditioner is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your leather jacket. Over time, leather can dry out, crack, and lose its luster. A good conditioner will keep your jacket looking its best, protecting it from the elements and extending its lifespan. In this video, we'll dive into the world of leather conditioners, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your jacket in top condition. Number 5. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. For over 50 years, this has been the go-to choice for leather care. It's a time-tested formula with a reputation built on quality and performance. This penetrates deep to protect new leather and rejuvenate dry or old leather. Unlike other products, one application lasts at least 6 months. It softens and moisturizes leather furniture, car seats, shoes, and belts. It's great for all colors and types of leather, including white. This formula protects your leather all year long from snow and rain. It's water-repellent, non-sticky, fragrance-free, and contains no silicone or solvents. It's pH-balanced and made with non-toxic, high-quality ingredients. It's free of PFAS forever chemicals and safe for people, pets, and your leather. This product has developed a cult following among leather experts. They know the value of long-lasting protection that it provides. What we like. Leather Honey offers protection that lasts for months, saving you time and effort. Its non-toxic formula ensures the safety of your leather and the environment. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting conditioner that's safe for all your leather items, you should consider this. What people say. A little really does go a long way. We were able to condition everything in our household and still have half a bottle remaining. This stuff was able to instantly fix the driest, crackliest of leathers. Things that looked and felt surely beyond all repair. We're talking jackets that were rigid like cardboard, leather that was dry and horribly cracked, the works. While it won't fix the cracks, of course, it will rehydrate the leather to prevent further damages. Every single item we conditioned was left supple, like new. I couldn't believe it because I feel that normally things like this are snake oil. I'm happy I tried, though it was a little nerve-wracking. We did, and still have half a bottle remaining, 3 leather jackets, 2 pairs of boots, 2 pairs of chaps, 3 watch bands, 2 leather cuffs, 2 leather belts, 2 leather jockstraps, 4 unmentionable items text expression wink face. Most things except the chaps required multiple coats. One jacket was given around 5 treatments because it was stiff as a board. In some parts, I drenched it directly from the bottle and slathered it by hand into a dense coat then left it to absorb. So, as you can see, a little really does go a long way. Ain't no marketing gimmick. But, it's not all good. One warning, if the leather is worn around your hardware, it's possible it can pull or rip out of the leather. This is because the fibers are likely destroyed, and when you rehydrate, the suppleness allows the hardware to pull through. This is what happened to one of my belts. This is no fault of the Leather Honey but rather just the damaged goods. If you have something you really cherish and it's damaged, it's probably better to hand it to a conservator. Thankfully I can repair my belt myself, but it's worth keeping in mind for those special items of yours. I thought my leather was a goner, so I'm overjoyed to rescue and breathe new life back into it. Happy to have half a bottle remaining for maintenance. The Leather Honey is both quality and value. Given all this, I do recommend this product. Save your goods today. Number 4. Chemical Guys Leather Care Kit. This kit is designed to bring your leather items back to life. It's perfect for car interiors, apparel, furniture, and more. Keep your leather looking and smelling its best with this amazing product. Cleaning and conditioning are essential for leather care. This combo will help to prevent drying, cracking, and fading. It will leave your leather feeling smooth, silky, and smelling fresh. First, use the pH-balanced, odorless cleaner to remove dirt and oils. Then, apply the conditioner with its subtle leather scent and vitamin E to nourish and protect the leather from daily damage. This process will make it look brand new. Chemical Guys is the brand of choice for car enthusiasts. They offer top-quality products and world-class customer support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle with a global following. This kit isn't just for your car. Use it on jackets, shoes, purses, and furniture. Everyone has leather items, and this kit will help you keep them in top condition. What we like. Chemical Guys provides a complete solution with both cleaner and conditioner, ensuring your leather looks and smells its best. The subtle leather scent adds a touch of luxury. If you want a simple, effective kit to keep your leather fresh and clean, you should choose this. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. My bag feels soft, smooth, shiny and beautiful after. The leathers have completely absorbed the product with no oily residue. Number 3. Bick 4 Leather Conditioner and Cleaner 8 ounces. Introducing Bick 4 Leather Conditioner, a trusted name in leather care for over a century. This product cleans, polishes, and protects all types of leather goods, ensuring their longevity. Unlike many conditioners, it won't darken your leather. This makes it perfect for restoring old items or maintaining the original color of new ones. It keeps your leather soft without affecting its breathability. Bick 4's wax-free formula prevents the sealing of leather pores. This allows the leather to breathe and remain soft, without any sticky residue. It's a key feature for proper leather maintenance. Applying Bick 4 is incredibly easy. This all-in-one product conditions your favorite leathers effortlessly. It simplifies your leather care routine. Bick more proudly manufactures Bick 4 Leather Conditioner in the United States. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product. What we like. Bick 4 is designed not to darken your leather, preserving its original color. The wax-free formula allows the leather to breathe. If you have a light-colored leather item or want to maintain the original shade, you should choose this. What people say. It cleaned them up perfectly, made the leather soft and supple again, and added a beautiful, natural shine without feeling greasy or changing the color. No color change, huge win. This was my biggest concern, especially with the light tan boots, and it passed with flying colors. The leather's color stayed exactly the same, it just looked richer and much more hydrated. Soft and supple, the dry boots immediately felt much softer and more flexible, it really restored the moisture to the leather fibers. The old wallet feels supple again, instead of stiff. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Leather Care Kit. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. It has been rigorously tested by experts. They have granted it this prestigious seal of approval. The kit includes everything you need. There's a leather cleaner, a protection cream, a sponge, a cloth, and instructions. It's perfect for all your leather items. This cleaner removes stubborn dirt and grime. It's a safe and effective formula. It lifts away dirt and stains without harsh chemicals. This cream conditions and protects your leather. It restores the leather's aroma. It also provides a barrier against liquids. Using the kit is easy. Apply the cleaner and protection cream with a sponge and cloth. Follow the instructions for the best results. We understand caring for leather can be tricky. If you're not satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. We are confident that it will work wonderfully when used correctly. What we like. Furniture Clinic provides a complete kit with both cleaner and protection cream, ensuring comprehensive care. It is recognized by the Good Housekeeping seal, assuring quality. If you want a kit that not only cleans and conditions but also protects against spills, you should consider this. What people say. The product works great on my leather jacket. It softened the leather and made it look new again. The conditioner is easy to apply and absorbs quickly. Number 1. OBENAUF'S Heavy Duty LP Leather Conditioner, 8 ounces. This industrial-strength leather conditioner keeps leather flexible and protected. It is a true natural preservative, free of harmful chemicals that can damage leather. Leather is a skin that needs natural oils to breathe. This non-toxic and odorless formula provides time-release lubrication. It will double the life of most leather goods in extreme conditions. It preserves, protects, and restores all your leather goods. From work boots to furniture, it will preserve them all, even in the most severe conditions. It penetrates leather to keep it moisturized while repelling water, acid, and chemicals. It resists scuffing, abrasion, and cracking, restoring dried and sun-faded leather. Created by wildland firefighters and manufactured in the USA, it has been field-tested for decades. It's preferred by tough outdoorsmen in the toughest environments. What we like. OBENAUF'S offers heavy-duty protection with its natural beeswax formula, keeping your leather flexible and protected. It is water repellent, making it ideal for harsh conditions. If you need a conditioner that can withstand tough environments and extend the life of your leather, you should choose this. What people say. Perfect for leather. I use on all my leather items. Great protection from water spots and more. Keeps leather soft. Will darken items, light brown will be dark brown for example. Well worth it in my opinion to keep work boots durable and fine leather supple. I have had no issue with it being sticky. It is thick, like ointment, spreads and absorbs great. It has performed as promised, improved the appearance and preserved the leather items I used it on. It has made my old boots looking good, and more importantly, water resistant again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.